What if you could receive payment for each click instantly? Earned per click could be as high as $1 or as little as 20 cents. Since they all add up so quickly, you might be making anywhere from $300 to $1,000 each month in passive income. You can do whatever you want with all the money, and it all starts with this video. I'll walk you through a few straightforward instances and demonstrate how to sign up for a free account that is open to everyone in the world. At the conclusion of this video, I'm going to share a secret tactic that nobody else will ever learn. It should be fascinating. But before we go deep into the video, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll teach you the brand new methods to make money online in 2023. Please enjoy and be informed in this video, and remember to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, click the notification bell button so that you will get notified every time we release a new money-making video in our channel. Share this with your family and friends so that everyone is aware of this fantastic money-making strategy. If you have any questions, concerns, or thoughts about the video, please leave a comment below. We look forward to reading it. I want you to examine the real payment documentation supporting this tactic. It is evident that individuals are exploiting their PayPal accounts to withdraw actual cash. For each click, they receive anywhere from $1 to $2. You can simply repeat this over and over again using your phone. I'll be showing you how to use this website to automatically earn paid for each click. Please watch the entire video before I reveal the identity of this website. You can see that you can earn up to 20 cents for each click. I'll also give you some extra advice to the end of the video on how to maximize your earnings and receive 40 cents to 60 cents or even $1 of every click. You'll notice that it states, get paid for every single click. We'll pay you for every click that you generate, and you can earn up to 20 cents per visitor. If you receive 500 clicks, your earnings will be $100. However, if you're aware of the secret technique I'm about to reveal, you can increase your earnings by 5-fold to each $500. Make sure you don't blow this opportunity. Anyone may take part. Within minutes, anyone from anywhere in the world can start earning money. You can take money out of your PayPal account after earning it. They will pay their affiliates through PayPal, and all payments will be done in US dollars at the end of each month of the revenue from the prior month. As you can see from the question, how and when will I be paid? Simply enter your PayPal email address within your account to get your payment. The domain name for this website is Entireweb.com. Google, a search engine, can be compared to the entire internet. Google is certainly well known to many of you. You may search for anything on Google by simply typing the keywords you want to use. In that regard, the Entireweb.com is identical. They're a search engine that works much like Google and lets you type any keywords you want to write into the search field. For instance, you may write how to generate money and then select search. They will then show you all the articles, blog posts, and videos that match your search keywords. Alternatively, you can click on other images to conduct searches on different subjects. It's comparable to Google, except it's brand new and will pay you for each click you send their way. They want to get more customers to migrate from Google to Entireweb, so they'll pay you up to 20 cents for each click. You might be the one to join up as a website's affiliate to publicize this free search engine and urge more users to utilize it. You can continue to receive 20 cents for each time a user hits search or views any of the website's photographs. It is incredibly strong because it can accomplish it without requiring any advertising or sales effort. If you only persuade folks to switch from Google to our free search engine, you can start earning money for each click right away. Once more, make sure to finish watching for the bonus that will let you earn 5 times as much money. I'll also show you a bonus website that you can utilize to get clicks continuously without putting any work into it. Simply opt for a free account to become an affiliate with Entireweb. You can access the page by clicking the Create Account button. Only your username, first and last name, email address, and the nation in which you are now reside are required. They once more extend a warm welcome to tourists from throughout the globe. This holds true everywhere. The website offers PayPal as a payout method. You can make money using PayPal just by driving traffic to our website. I'll demonstrate a different bonus website for getting clicks automatically. Just click I accept the terms and conditions after you finish all the fields to register for a free account. From there, we can start promoting the entire web search engine to everyone online and generate clicks continuously and automatically. That's exactly how individuals from various countries all over the world can profit from every click that they produce. Use Hercules.com to access. There are no restrictions on the links you can freely promote on this website. It is entirely free and available everywhere. All you have to do to get started is click this button to automatically earn a $5 sign-up bonus for free. You can create a free account by clicking this link, which will take you to the Hercules Plus website. Type in your login, password, email address, and first and last names. Create a free account by clicking I am not a robot and accepting the terms of service. Then, you'll be taken to this page where you can select a membership kind. They have both paid and free solutions, so we don't need to be concerned about spending any money. You only need to select free membership to log into your account. Scroll down below and click the Continue for Free option to access your account. Click the Click Here button to send an email for a web advertisement right away. It will take you here, where you can post an advertisement for free on this website. Scroll down to Regular Mailer. Here, you only need to enter a headline, a URL link, and the text of the advertisement. In the subject line of your email adverts, type new search engine that replaces Google, which is Entireweb. That is the subject line of the email. We will automatically receive help from Hercules.com when we send free emails to thousands of recipients. Hercules.com is appealing because you can do this with just a free membership. A test URL link that represents one of your affiliate links will be included in an email after the subject line and the headline have been submitted. When someone clicks on this link, they will be directed to the Entireweb.com search engine. Every time someone uses the search bar, clicks a link on the page, watches a video, or looks at an image, you will receive 20 cents. This is a really powerful way to promote any link you desire. Encourage more people to utilize this link and click the button by writing something like this in the ad body. The actual content. Click on the link above to test out this brand new search engine that works far better than Google itself. Add the word free since people are more likely to test something if it is provided without asking for anything in return. Send this email to as many Hercules.com members as possible. Many individuals will eventually click on this link due to the fact that it is free. Many others will try it, and you will receive 20 cents for each time they search for something and click on one of these websites with your help. The whole point of this opportunity is that. That's all for now. I hope that you were able to learn something from this video and that I was able to show you a new method to generate money online. If you liked this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. By clicking the notification bell button, you can be informed when we upload new videos. I'll see you in our forthcoming video, so keep an eye out for that.